Today Yolanda made some hot tea for me, but it's so hot today and the tea is also so hot. So I want to get some ice pieces. And I got this. This is in our refrigerator, but the ice is too hard to break. So I came up with an idea that I borrowed one of the top roller of our company to break this ice, and it is easy for you to see how hard it is. So let's start. I don't know what will happen. It's kind of dangerous. Oh, still need some. Oh, my hand is breaks. Oh, it breaks. Oh. Okay, this is today's shorts video. It's kind of funny and jokey. Okay, that's all.
Later.
This is my iced tea. Okay. Hi.